This is my part 2 of geometric series. Number 2, find the sum of the first 9 terms of geometric series. We have negative 1 over 4 plus 1 over 2 minus 1 plus 2 and then minus and so on. So, I need to write the given. Given are A1. Of course, we have negative 1 over 4. Then, what else? N equals 9 terms. So, this will be 9. And then, R. How to solve the common ratio? So, to get the common ratio R is equal to R1. And R1 is A2 over A1. So, what is A2 over A1? This is A1, A2, A3, A4. So, A2 will be 1 over 2. And then, A1 is negative 1 over 4. So, to solve this one, just write 1 over 2. And then, change this division to multiplication. And then, upside down of negative 1 over 4. So, this will be 4 over negative 1. And then, multiply. So, this will be 4. 2 times negative 1, negative 1 times 2 is negative 2. So, 4 divided by negative 2, this is equal to negative 2. So, I have now, my common ratio is negative 2. Okay? So, what's the formula? So, we have 5 formulas, right? Since R is less than 1, because negative 2, right? So, we will use S, or sum of the geometric series is equal to A1 times 1 minus R raised to N all over by 1 minus R. So, what is our A1? A1 is negative 1 over 4 times 1 minus R is negative 2. So, this is negative 2 raised to power of 9 because this will be N. Then 1 all over by 1 minus R, this is negative 2. So, negative 1 over 4. Then, this will be 1 minus. So, take note if you have negative 2 raised to 9 power. So, 9 times. So, this will be 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So, 2 times 2 is 4 times 2 is 8 times 2, 16 times 2, 32 times 2, 64. 64. This will be 8, right? Times 8. This is 4 times 8 is 32. Carry 3. 6 times 8 is 48. Plus 3, 51. 512. So, this is 512. But what is the sign? Since this one is odd, if odd, this will be negative. If even, this will be positive. Since 9 is odd, so the sign is negative 512. So, this will be negative 512. Then, 1, negative times negative, that will be positive. You need to rewrite this one, negative 1 over 4, then circle bracket, 1. Okay, take note, negative times negative, that will be positive. 1 plus 512, all over by 1 plus 2 is 3. So, this will be negative 1 over 4. And we know that 1 plus 512 is 513, all over by 3. So, to simplify this one, so this will be negative. 1 times 513 will be 513, and this will be over 4. And then over 3. So, solve this one. Negative 513 over 4. Okay, this symbol or this operation will change to multiplication. And then, upside down of 3 over 1. So, this will be 1 over 3. So, I need to multiply this one, the numerators. So this will be negative 513, and then 4 times 3 is 12. So I have here negative 513 divided by 12. So I need to divide because this is improper fraction. So 513 divided by 12. Okay, estimate 51. How many 12 are there in 51? So let's say 51 times 4. So this is 4. 5 times 4 is 20. Oh, sorry, it's more than. So let's say 51 times, let's say 2. This is 2, 10. It's shortened. So it should be 51 times, no, why 51? So it should be 12. 12 times, let's say 4. So this will be 8. 1 times 4 is 4. So this is 4. This will be in line in 1. In line with 1. And then I've got 48. Okay, 51 take away 48. So I need to borrow in here. So this will be 4. And then this will be 11. 11 minus 8 is 3. Then 4 minus 4 is 0. Never mind. And then bring down 33. So how many 12 are there in 33? Estimate. I think this is 2. This is 24. Then need to subtract. 3 minus 4 cannot be, so I need to borrow from here. This will be 2. And then this is 13. So 13 minus 4. What is 13 minus 4? 13 minus 4. So this will be 9. 9, right? So this will be 9. So I have here is 42, 9 over 12. But I can reduce this one by dividing 3. So I have in here negative 42, 9 divided by 3. This will be 3. And then 12 divided by 3 is 4. So my sum of series is equal to negative 42 and 3 over 4. So that's number 2. Now let's move to number 3. So number 3 or number 2? Let's say number 2. Find the sum. Find the sum of the 6 terms of the geometric series, which is 4 plus 12 plus 36 plus 108 and then plus that, meaning so on. So for number 2, so we have to get our given from number 2. So of course A1 will be 4. And then what else? N equals 6. Then we need to get our common ratio. So common ratio for R1 will be 12, formula first, A2 over A1. So A2 is, this is A1, A2, A3, A4, and so on. So this will be 12 over 4. So my common ratio is positive 3. So this will be positive 3. So since R is greater than 1, or common ratio is greater than 1, so we need to use this formula. A1 times Rn minus 1 all over by R minus 1, because our common ratio is greater than 1. This is 3. So we need to substitute our given to the formula. So A1 is 4 times R is 6 raised to the power of, R is 3. I'm wrong. This is 3 to the power of 6 minus 1. Then R is 3 minus 1. So to simplify, this will be 4. 3 to the power of 6. What is 3 to the power of 6? So meaning 6 times. Okay, this is 3 times 3, 9 times 3, 27. Times 27. So 27 times 27. This is 49. Carry 4. This is 14. Plus 4, 18. This is 14. Carry 1. 2 times 2 is 4 plus 1, 5. Sum up. Bring down 9. This is 12. Carry 1, 7. So this is 729. So 729 minus 1 all over by, what is 3 minus 1? 3 minus 1 is 2. So this is 4. And then 729 minus 1 is 728 all over by 2. I think we can divide this one. 4 divided by 2 is 2 times 728. 728. And then we need to multiply this one. So 728 times 2. This will be 16. Carry 1. 2 times 2 is 4 plus 1, 5. 7 times 2 is 14. So my answer for number 2 is 1,456. So therefore, my geometric series is equal to 1,456. That's all.